Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing something simple but incredibly special. It's about those quiet golden moments that reminds us why we should pause, breathe and just take in the beauty around us. Come with us as we chase the sunrise at Sibbald Point Provincial Park and experience a morning we will never forget. It was one of those magical mornings where everything had to align just right. We had just 10 minutes before the sunrise, and our campsite was still 5 minutes away from the beach. We jumped out of the bed, grabbed our cameras and tripod, and literally ran through the cool morning air, hoping we wouldn't miss it. Earlier that morning, I had checked the weather, little to no clouds, perfect conditions, and oh, it was so worth it. The universe truly rewarded us. The sky lit up in the soft pinks and golden light. The lake completely still, reflecting it all like a mirror. This sunrise was extra special for us as it wasn't just me and my husband like old times. This time our little one was with us too. Watching the sunrise as a family, hearing the birds sing their first songs of the day, feeling the calm breeze, it was simply breathtaking. Take a moment, listen closely to the sounds of the nature in this video, let it sink in, and tell me in the comments what's your most memorable sunrise. I hope this inspires you to slow down, wake up early once in a while, and stay close to the nature. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and stay tuned.